I'll be showing you step by step how to remove the buy button from your Shopify Dawn theme. By default, when you set up Shopify Dawn, there will be a buy it now button next to the add to cart button. So let's go and remove this buy it now button from all the product pages. So we'll start on our Shopify dashboard here, and we're going to navigate to the left hand side under online store. This should open up our theme section automatically, and from there we can go and make the necessary changes. So you can currently see I have the Dawn theme installed, and let's go and click on the customize button, which should be next to your currently installed theme. So this will open up the theme editor where we can make all our Dawn theme changes. So what we want to do is navigate to our product page. We can do so on the top here. It should load homepage by default, and we can see products. If we click on that, we can then click on our default product template. You can also get there by simply just clicking on any of your products from the homepage. This will also bring you to the default product template. Now let's go and edit these buy buttons. So I'm going to hover over the existing buy buttons here. I'm going to click on it, and this will open up the buy button settings on the far right hand side. I can also see it on the left hand side, and if I just click on buy buttons, this will also open up the setting. And what we want to do is uncheck this show dynamic checkout buttons, and then I'm going to click save in the top right here. And I can see already the buy it now button has now disappeared. So just like that, I should have removed that buy it now button. If I go to a live version of my Shopify store and I click reload, we can see it has been removed there as well. I want to say that if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different details, metrics, and analytics so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to save you tons of time and sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold options. There's a link in the description below that brings you to the Shopify app listing. We can get a 15-day free trial to test drive everything for yourself. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. So overall, it was quite simple as it's able to do so in the Shopify theme editor. I hope this video helped. If it did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But I hope now you have removed the buy button from your Shopify Dawn theme. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.